Yes, yes. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It's been a while. Been a while. Been kind of just focusing on my music, Just I put some energy in my music, kind of take a break, and then we don't want to chat people business, and them something there. And so we never find nothing for talk about. Then the election thing I go on, we never want to chat too much about the politics and them thing there. And then you have world championships. Good championships for Jamaica. But I know my thing that check my brethren Peter Lloyd for the sports commentary and thing. Yes? But yeah. Something came to my attention and I kinda have some concern. And I kinda wanna put ear to what I'm thinking. Yes? I have a book. Everybody know I have a book out. Well, right now it's only in Kindle form. We soon come out with the paperbacks. Just waiting on the right time and stuff like that. But well, today I want to start my deliberations by going into this book here. Yes? Andy Livingston Through Black Eyes. And I'm going to read a poem. It's politics mean many ticks, and many ticks kill dog. Them human ticks here suck we out, dooming us all to the mark. These learned fellows and great bright minds know all we need to do well. Dance in them party, sleep in parliament, then legislate us all to hell. Musical cheers played every 5 years, sucking the fat of the land. Now the land bone dry, you're looking up high, praying for a divine hand. Politics mean many ticks, and many ticks kill dog. Them human ticks here suck we out, dooming us all to the mark. Promises, promises. Please stop your promises. You promise everything under the sun. Announcements, announcements. Every day an announcement. Let us see some work being done. Comforting fools, that is your main tool. Because you know that fools are aplenty. Dangling sugar, dangling fat. Do you know that the cupboard is empty? Politics mean many ticks. And many ticks kill dog. Them human ticks here suck we out, dooming us all to the mark. Now lies have become alternative truths. You know that the masses will bite. Please take your truth and step off a cliff. You'll fly, politician. Just try it. A whole new world, a whole new time. No leadership to be found. Just rulership and a whole heap of shit I can't wrap my head around. Politics mean many ticks. And many ticks kill dog. Them human ticks here suck we out, dooming us all to the mark. Now who to turn to? Or where to turn? Can't turn to the church anymore. If pastor now screw little boys and girls, them busy out there buying whores. Now the politician sleeps in peaceful bliss in the prison behind this gate. And the people restless, can't find no sleep in the garbage heap him create. Politics mean many ticks. And many ticks kill dog. Them human ticks here suck we out, dooming us all to the mark. Now the Tishan him wicked, him dirty and lie. No matter what we do, him not change. All that we know what kill the poor dog. But him a tell we are no ticks a mange. Politics mean many ticks. And many ticks kill dog. Them human ticks here suck we out, Rasta. Dooming us all to the mark. Why am I got this so? In the heights of the political campaign, close to the end of the campaign, like a year or two before the elections, I see Pearnel Charles caught up with some residents out of St. Thomas, where the people might exercise them right to choose the party that them want support. And it is alleged that Pearnel go out there and through him say the people them a support the party not of his choosing. He might tell the people them say some land out there where him say belong to him and them for come off of the land. 1,100 acre a land. Pearnel Charles claims here him own it and the youth them for come off. Now the Sunday Gleaner September 21st saying did a piece, an investigative piece no less, checking out who actually owned the land and how it came to be owned. Well, not how it came to be owned, but when it was possessed and what was paid for it and so on and who it was transferred to. Saying 1,100 acre of land. Wrap your head around that, brother. Saying some people the Gleaner find that in a 1963 it was owned by some people. Where is that? 1963 it became the property of Harold James Ashwell in October 1963. In 1991, see, I guess it was more than, Ashwell did own more than the 1,100, but 1991, 1,100 was transferred to Pearnel Charles' wife, Gloria Charles, a nurse at the time, and his daughter who was in university at the time. See, 1,100 acre land for $40,000. See? And over time, we see where it changed, deed of gift go on, and it was handed over to some, to young Pearnel Charles and other, where everybody get involved now in this piece of land. And I am sure that if we check St. Thomas, the Charleses own more land out there. 1,100 acres. Now, let me tell you something, people. There's a way for own land, for take over land in this country, you see, where you take a thing called adverse possession. Yes? And a lot of people, no less these politicians, yeah, learn how to run the game. They go call it that. See? So them go in and them find out which set of old people they do on them land and where them check who are paid the tax, if the taxes are being paid. Once them see the tax now paid, them start pay the tax. And if they are paying taxes and have control of the land, once 12 years pass, them apply for the land to be transferred in a them name through adverse possession. Good? What I find that when I check is that every little politician, when them send them, once them go in an area, yeah, and them run, them leave and them run in a rural area, when them left, by the time them lose the seat and leave, them own half of the parish. Now it would have seemed to me that if you're there to represent the people, yes, the people it is that put you there, then you'd represent the best interest of these people. Now land is scarce commodity. Yes? Land is prized possession. Land gives the little man dignity. Yeah? And if you are represent the little man, especially like Pearnel I come from unionism, trade union days, see? And if you are represent the little man, and you find so that there is some land, and I think these lands are sugarcane land, where people slave pan, For years. See? And if you find that there's some land and you're able to take it over, shouldn't you take it over on behalf of the people that you represent? Shouldn't you take it over so that now you can hand it over in parcels to these little people that are there suffering and struggling over the years and running up and down behind you and voting for you? Or as it seems, your problem is not who have voted for you, is who have voted for the next man them. But the long and short of it, a two set of one do it. A two set of one do it. So we are not here alleging that these lands were acquired illegally, you know. We are saying, are the people put you there, and if you can find, how much land you need, Rasta? 1,100 acres, how much height you can live upon? How much picnic you have? How much grand picnic you have? How much height them can really occupy? How much money you can spend when you know turn this land into commercially viable as commercially viable situation? I want to make money. How much money you not gonna name till you no belly boss? What about the people? Pearnel, at your age, you should have known say life, brother, at this point if you not realize say life is not money. It is about that relationship with your brother one to the other. That love that you give and get back from people. If you're not feeling that love and you don't know that that is what life, then your heart is dark. Yes? Or we probably should have said your heart white because it's a kind of a white man thing. No disparaging to the white man still because, you know, generally everybody is good. You know? But over time we have seen where that kind of ruling class white people thing. That is why you see this thing where we get independence. It's not an independence thing, you know, it's a power grab by a set of the elites. Yes? It is a power grab from England handing over the whip to we own to put that whip over our back. That is how it is being played out. How much you want? And this happened the other day and I kind of love it. But you know why I come back to it? The other day, a brethren invite me to one dance. We're going to go sing up a tune and thing. And all a joy among some brethren. And it happened that it's up in a St. Anne, the border St. Mary, where you have a place named Blue Hole. Now, nobody never know about Blue Hole. All of a sudden, the people them turn Blue Hole into a thriving commercial concern. Yeah? And we are driving go up there in the dark and we see some place fence off and we have see some things. And a brethren tell me, say, there's a part along the river where there's a piece of land that them in the area where grow they used to walk through and go enjoy them little swim down at the river. And a politician now fence off that and put up private property, no trespassing. How much you know want, brother? If you now find say this is land that is available through whatever means, you know, take it over on behalf of the people and free it up, make the people able to enjoy them river, brother, that they've enjoyed for generations. You claim say now you run and you represent them and you gotta go beg them vote every day. Saying? But you screech your thing round the corner. And again, this is no allegation that it is being taken over illegally. But there's a concern I have. What about morality? You little black man, go to block off the thing from your own black brother and say you love we and we must vote for you. Politician enough to stop it. We're not dirty. See? I'm going to call Mr. Montague, them say you block it off. The allegation is that it's you cause it to be blocked off and put up private property. Is that what? You own it now, Mr. Montague? How much you know want? How much you and your friend them want, brother? We not trample upon our own people. We not see that, don't it? Because the greed in our no don't cause enough to see that. We go and get old and sick and on a dead bed. We not go wish. We did have some people for actually love you, because who you have around you, when you think say love you, they're there for something, just like how uno they're there for something. Claim say you now represent the people. Yes? No ease up off of the people neck. People, bless up on yourself, know who love you. Saying one love.